ako. Sabi ko, Christine, nasaan mo ba mga ibang restaurant? Sabi niya, dyan lang naman.
Eid Mubarak, smile wide, lift your hands up high. Eid Mubarak, thank you Allah for this life. Allahu Akbar, here I say, Alhamdulillah, let's eat today.
Sino kasama mo? Nasa Pujera ka, Dubai. Magkano naman bigay sa'yo? Malapit na kami sa Oman. Ayaw mong sumama eh. Ayan oh, border na yan ng Oman.
Ako nung malaki, di ba sabi niya,
Come on, everybody! Clap your hands! Oh, you're looking good! I'm gonna sing my song. It won't take long. We're gonna do the twist, and it goes like this.
Baba natin dun sa hotel, sa tayo tira muna.
di ba ba? Hindi pa man tayo makaka-check-in.
Agad, alam ko. Hindi kasi matagal pa yung check-in natin. Andun tayo sa reception pa lang.
Sa lobby lang.
Wala ka pa dyan, Ena. Wala ka pa dyan. Sabi ko yun. Nagano kami na.
Walang iba.
Emirates naman talaga dyan kasi terminal 3 yun eh. Doon sa kabila ang ano, yung ibang airlines. Terminal 1, terminal 2. Dito, Emirates lahat.
1, 2, 2, 3. In the club, what you gonna do? Everybody in the club. Everybody in the
Share na kami ni Ella.
Pagtitignan mo para hindi kasi yung tao dyan.
Kaya nga no, pero ang daming tao sa loob.
Ano nito?
O yan.
Ang tawag yun?
Future. Yan ano.
Future Museum.
Future Museum.
Dapat yung puno sana.
Ha?
Yun. Akala ko, yung papasukin natin yun talaga yung bilog na yun.
Pwede
Oo.
naman
Bakit hindi na may bayad, no?
Pwede din umakyat hanggang ano lang, hindi doon sa pinakatugtog. Makaakyat kami dyan. Pwede. Saan siya gagawin? Hindi naman yata siya pupunta doon.
Dito yan kasi hindi kasi babalik siya.
Kahit sa patatas. Sino ba yung ano? May tao yung
Pupunta na natin.
na lang ako.
Brother, will you go there?
Every time I see you, I'm a raising the sun up, streaming through the waves in your hair. And every star in the sky is taking aim at your eyes like a spotlight.
May number ba yun? Wala, yung hindi lang highway, yung ano lang, regular. Oo, wag na. Yung ano lang, chill-chill lang tayo doon at least mamaya. May mainom-inom konti. Paalis na kayo? Nandito na nga kami sa Dubai. Tapos mamaya pa ng alas 4 check-in. Oo, sige lang. Mas maganda nga yun eh. Sige. Sige.
Pwede yan, kahit sabihin mo na may sa oras mo tayo. Sa reception.
It's a beautiful view. Can't believe my eyes. Colors so white, painting up the skies. A beautiful view, and it feels brand new. Everything's still, and the world feels true. This is the place where the heart can breathe. No rush, no race, just the life we lead. It's a beautiful view, and I'm feeling it true. Holding this moment, a beautiful view.
Wala na, nakatay mo. Kasi kahit bakit nakaganyan. Oo nga.
Naka-video kami nga kate.
Dali na, dali na. Kaya mo lang siyang mag-video. Dali na. Dali na. Wala, hindi na kami nakita. Sabi mo, upo ka. Hindi na ako nakita. Tapos na ba yun sa kanya?
Wala na.
Yan na. Ayun
Hindi
na.
pa sabay. Hindi mo alam. Hindi mo alam. Hindi mo alam.
Ang daming space dito. Ayun. Doon naman kayo tumingin sa video.
Ay, may video ba?
Tayo mo na yung video ni Karkara namin. Guys, tayo mo yung natin.
Doon mo lang tumingin. Hindi pa tapos. Pusing ako. Ay,
Parang ang liit ko dyan.
I can tell her my trouble. She makes them all seem right. I can make up excuses not to hold her at night. We can talk tomorrow. I'll tell her things that I want to do. But girl, how can I tell her about you? How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do.
malapit na tayo.
Yes.
Saan tayo?
Jim. Malapit tayo dyan sa ano, City Walk.
Oh, dito tayo maglalakad-lakad mamaya. Malapit na to sa Satwa.
Oo.
Ayun na yung train, guys. Ayun.
Malapit lang naman pala sa board. Kakalapit na.
Ayun, guys.
Wala naman may construction worker.
Construction worker. Na-construct na siya.
Wala, ano nangyari? Picture naman pala yun. Nilirase.
Doon yata tayo sa kabilang road.
Satwa na yung gano'n sa kabila.
Okay din to sa kaya natin. Iniikot tayo hanggang dumating yung oras.
Oras kaya nga.
Pinapas
It's very good, brother, because our check-in is 4 o'clock. So, if you're surrounding
No, that's only 1 minute. The GPS lost.
Oh, GPS lost.
It's okay, you go around there.
The surrounding is good. You're not for my problem.
We're rounding all the building here.
Kaya nga
I was dancing in the dark with strangers, no love around me. When suddenly you found me, oh, girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're my fantasy, you're my reality. Girl, you're every woman in the world to me. You're everything I need. You're everything to me. Oh, girl.
Guys, dumating na rin kami sa wakas. Dito na kami. Ito. Yan, kanya. Ay, come here. There's a question here. Uy, kaninong bag to? Bitbitin natin yung mga bitbit natin. Thank you. Pasok.
Meron man yan sa loob.
Teka, guys, sabi ka sa akin. Baka maipit ka. Ito lang. Doon tayo upo. Bukti kong papasukin.
Ikaw na pumunta doon. Ikaw ang ano. Ng labi.
It's a heartache, nothing but a heartache. Hits you when it's too late, hits you when you're down. It's a fool's game, nothing but a fool's game. Standing in the cold rain, feeling like a clown. It's a heartache, nothing but a heartache. Love until your arms break, then he lets you down. It ain't right with love to share when you find
Hi guys, dito kami ngayon sa reception with our lovely ladies. Rock.
Yung pagkain. Kaya nga nangihingi ako ng tubig, hindi sa kumuha.
Ay, pwede kong kunin. Ay, teka, kukunin ko. Kasi kinuha nung mama habang ano ko eh. Habang sinasakay niya. Parang may libreng tubig dito. Ayan o, meron silang tubig. Ha? Guys, mag-aantay tayo hanggang mamaya.
2:30 pala, may sagot.
Huwag po kayong maiinip. Kung pwede lang kumain dito guys, binuksan na namin yung mga baon namin, mga tinapa, bagoong. Ayan lang, baka mag-amoy dito. Mag-isa ng mga tao dito. Mag-amoy nila yung gandahan mo naman yung buwa ka. Ang pangit ng mga buwa. Smile kayo dyan, smile. Smile.
Listen.
Mga matang mapanghusga, laging hinahanap ay mali. Konting galaw mo lang, napapansin lagi. Ngiti parang totoo, pero may inggit sa mata. Pag ikaw ay nakatalikod, doon lalabas masamang.
Go to 33rd floor. So don't forget guys. Otherwise we will lose. This is a very big building after we are going
Instagram and
to.
TikTok.
This is our tour guide. Handsome.
Are you ready? Feel the vibe.
Don't stop.
Don't stop the beat.
Don't stop the beat, the beat, the beat, the beat.
Don't stop the beat. Step in the club, feel the baseline drive. Hands in the air, let the rhythm come alive. No time to stop. We're owning the night. Moving so fast through flashing lights. Feel that groove going deep inside. Heartbeat sync when the beats collide. DJ, turn it up. Take control. We ride this out. We lose control.
Don't stop the beat tonight. Feel the rhythm, feel the light. We are dancing till sunrise. Don't stop the beat. Feel it.
Hi guys, let's go inside our room. Wow, it's nice. With the heart. And this is the toilet room. And this is the TV. And life in dreams. This is the sofa. Of course, this is the mirror. And this is the view. So we will open up. I don't know how to open later. I'm excited to sleep. I will sleep here tonight.
to another room. Wow. 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 Nice, nice. Nice view, guys. Wow. As you can see downstairs, this is the main road, and this is the buildings. Thousands of buildings. Ganda ng view. Okay, ready na. Ito po ang
Sinisa po. Yung code ng kwarto,
Tapos,
sinisa akin.
ayun po, ito po yung spoon.
Kaya nga, di ko makita kung saan na.
Kunwari kumakain. Tapos na po ang kain. Nakadikit yata, nakadikit.
Hindi, video yun, video.
We going on vacation, so where you wanna go?
Me? Obsessed with you? Yes.
Ang naninira sa'yo, basta't alam mo lang, tama ang ginagawa mo. Huwag mong isipin, huwag mong dibdibin, kung papatuloy
Yun nga, full nga lang kinukuha ko. 1, 2, 3. One more, 1, 2, 3.
It's hard to stay on my own. I feel like taking a walk. I can't stand the tricks that you play. No matter what they tell us, no matter what they do, no matter what they teach us, what we believe is true.
No matter what they call us, however they attack, no matter where they take us, we'll find our own way back.
Ziggy in the house. I can't deny what I believe. I can't be what I
tayo sa swimming pool. Diyan tayo lalangoy mamaya guys. Medyo maginaw na. Maginaw. Maginaw. Ayan.
Ayun, nandun tayo sa ano? Duyan. Ang bakarin mo sa may duyan.
Hindi ko nga abot yun. Tatayo lang ako.
Wait, alis yung tao. 1, 2, 3. Tingin dito oh. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Kaya oh, sige sunod. Okay na. Talikod ka talaga.
Kita pa ako nagdagdag kasi yung kape niya.
Nawabuhay mo siya.
Baba! Dito. Dito.
Ano mo dati?
Dito.
There's peace in your smile, like a calm summer sky, When you look at me, look at me.
Yes, when there's tomorrow on the marketplace, underneath the cigarette bank. Yes, when it's the morning, girl, I like your face.
UCLA is.
Ngiting mapanling lang, di ko napagtanto.
Tayo, malapit.
Sige, pasok! Hawak mo ang galaw ko, ikot-ikot wag hihinto. Galaw baba taas ulit, sayaw lang hanggang sumakit. I call your number, the line ain't free. I like to tell you, come to me. A night without you seems like a lost dream. Love, I can't tell you how I feel. Always somewhere, miss you where I've been. I'll be back to love you again. Always somewhere, miss you where I've been. I'll be back to love you.
Nobody else could ever know the part of me that can let go. And I would give anything I own.
Asan yung access card?
Yan guys, so doon kami galing sa taas na yun. Yun. Sa taas, pinakataas. Doon kami nag-swimming.
So ang gagawin mo nun, be, kukunin mo muna sa sakyan mo. Wala na. Wala. Tapos,
Mapupuno. Kasya ba tayo? Oh, kasya.
Baba lahat to.
Pindutin mo yung ano. Pindutin mo yung OG.
Saan dyan?
Yun, pindutin mo.
Oo.
I call your number, the line ain't free. I like to tell you, come to me.
Saan tayo magpapalay sa labi?
Hindi, kasama ka. Ha, hindi. Kasama ka.
Oh, sige, sunod. Okay na. Talikod ka talaga.
Every time I see you, all the rays of the sun are streaming through the waves in your hair. And every star in the sky is taking aim at your eyes like a spotlight. The beating of my heart is a drum and it's lost and it's looking for a rhythm like you.
Wait, alis yung tao. 1, 2, 3. Tingin dito. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
You can tell the world you never was my girl. You can burn my clothes up when I'm gone.
Hi guys, mga tapos nang mag-swimming yan. Andito kami ngayon sa Malibu.